Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Education. I am Anamika and in this video we are going to discuss about determinants of 3 by 3 matrix, that is a topic from class 12 mathematics. So in previous classes we have discussed about determinants of 2 by 2 matrix, and in this video we are going to discuss about determinants of 3 by 3 matrix, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. So for example, I have taken a matrix A and what will be the first element, that is A11, then A12, A13. What is the second element? A21, first element of second row. And what will be the second element of second row? That is A22, and third element will be A23. And what will be the first element of third row? That is A31, second element will be A32, third element will be A33. Got it? So, if we are asked to find the determinants of this 3 by 3 matrix, that is 3 row and 3 column. So, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So, what we are asked to do? We are asked to find the determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. So, we denote it by and this is not modulus, this is determinants of A. So, what we will first do? That is, we will multiply the first element of first row. What is the first element? That is A11. With whom? We will just take -1 and we will just add the suffix of the first element. What is the suffix of first element? That is 1, 1. That is 1 plus 1. And what we will do next? That is, just forget about this row and forget about this column. That is deleting the first row and deleting the first column. What will remain? That is this 2 by 2 matrix. That is A22, A23, A32, A33. That is, we will find the determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Then just put plus first. Then what we will do? We will multiply the second element, that is A12, A12. Then what we will do? That is, we will multiply -1. And what will be the power of this? That is the suffix of the element, that is A12. Here suffix is 1 and 2. So we will do 1 plus 2. And what we will multiply? That is the determinant of, just forget about, we take this element na, A12. So just forget about this column and this row. So what will remain? That is A21, A23, A31, A33. So just find the determinants of A21, A23, A31 and A33. So find the determinants of this 2 by 2 matrix. And last, what we will do? We will just simply multiply the third element of first row, that is A13. That is A13. Then what we will multiply? That is -1. And what will be the power? That is suffix of A13. That is suffix is 1 plus 3. And what we will multiply next? That is, we have taken the element A13. So we have taken this one. So just forget about this row and this column. So what will remain? This portion, that is A21, A22, A31, A32. So find the determinants of this 2 by 2 matrix and simplify the whole terms, and you will get the determinants of A, that is determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. And this is the rule for finding determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. Got it? And you just simply remember that that is, if we minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is, that is minus 1 to the power 2, which is equal to 1, and it would be minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus 1, and it would be minus 1 to the power 4, which is equal to plus 1. So just remember it that just simply put the values, that is it will be plus, it will be minus, that is it will be plus 1, it will be minus 1, it will be plus 1, it will be minus 1, it will be plus 1, it will be minus 1, it will be plus 1 again, it will be minus 1, and it will be plus 1 again. So just remember it and it will be easier to solve. That is, first if you find the determinants from the first row by taking the element of first row, then this portion will be plus 1, this portion will be minus 1, and this portion will be plus 1. And if you find the determinants by using the elements of second row, then this one will be minus, this one will be plus, this one will be minus. And again, if you take the third row to find the determinants, then this one will be plus, this one will be minus, and this one will be plus. So just remember it, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So just remember it and find it is easier to find the determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.